Hey guys, welcome to my channel Legal the Legal Solution. Today we are going to discuss about ESI registration. We provide hassle-free, efficient, trusted with 24/7 support method for your ESI registration. We also provide qualified professionals for your ESI registration. Premium experience. Online ESI registration through legal.in. Get online expert assistant from legal.in while registering for ESIC. ESI stands for Employee State Insurance, managed by the ESIC. Registration for employer is compulsory when a workplace or a specific establishment having 10 or more permanent employees. The monthly wages is less than 21,000 for those employees. ESIC registration eligibility. A non-seasonal factory or establishment having more than 10 employees. In some state it is 20 employees who have maximum salary of 21,000 has to mandatory register itself with ESIC within 15 days from the date of its applicability. Under this scheme, the employer need to contribute of some amount of 3.25% of total monthly salary payable to the employees, whereas employee need to contribute 0.75% of his monthly salary every month of the year. The only exemption to the employees in paying his contribution is whose salary is less than 176 rupees per day. Entities covered under ESIC: shops, restaurant or hotel engaged only in sales, cinema halls, road motor transport establishment, newspaper establishment which is not covered under the Factory Act, private medical institution, private educational institution. When the above-mentioned establishment employ 10 or more persons, the owner or employee of the establishment must compulsorily register it with the ESIC. Document required for ESIC registration. Since the procedure for registration is online, no physical documents are required to be submitted. The document required while filing the online registration form are registration certificate obtained either under Factories Act or Shops and Establishment Act, certificate of registration in case of company, and partnership deed in case of partnership firm, memorandum of association and article of association of company, proof of establishment such as utility bill or rental agreement, a list of all employees working in the establishment, PAN card of the business establishment as well as employees working in the establishment, the compensation details of all the employees, a cancelled check of the bank of the company, list of directors of the company, list of shareholder of the company, a register containing the attendance of employees. These are the documents required for ESIC registration. You must comply with this. Benefit of ESIC registration. The benefit of registering under this scheme are varied. Some of them are sickness benefit at the rate of 70% in the form of salary. In case of any certified illness and with last for maximum 91 days in a year, medical benefit to an employee and his family members. Maternity benefit to the women who are pregnant or paid leaves. As paid leaves. If the death of the employee happen while on working, 90% of salary is given to his dependent in the form of monthly payment after the death of employee. Same as above in case of disability of the employee. Funeral expenses, old age medical care expenses. Compliance after ESIC registration. The establishment need to comply with the following after registration under ESIC. Maintaining the attendance register, maintaining a complete register of wages for workers, inspection book, monthly return and challan within 15th of the succeeding month, maintaining a register that record any accident that happened on the premises. Return to be filed after ESIC registration. After the registration under ESIC, the employee have to file ESI return half yearly. The following documents are required for filing the return. Register of attendance of the employees. Form 6 register. Register of wages. Register of business. Monthly return and challan. Here are the listed compulsion and documents related to ESIC registration. Any process is done through legal.in. If you want your ESIC registration through legal.in, you can simply visit to our contact page. Where our number is given, you can simply call on that and talk to our executive. They will definitely solve your query within a certain given time.